back down on the stand so we could make sure the door would fit, which of course it doesn't. I mean, just needs some adjusting. So then I decided to come back here, and what a mess I ran into. Mike happened to pick up it's an aftermarket cross member for the back, but that's what we're going to use. So I'm cutting that one out, put rockers in it, or cap corners. We have cap corners, but then I'll have to make this piece here, which no big deal. I got a metal brake to do that on. So that's where I'm at this point. Well, I got that piece sitting in there. End of the day, I really don't feel like doing too much more. Got to make sure I got it squared up, and then I'll weld that in. That's about all there is for today. We did put the fender on there just to make sure it had good gaps. So, guess that's it. So today I got that cross member welded in, and then this part of the floor pan. That's all you get. You don't get any more. So I'm gonna have to patch this right here too, right through here, and then put this piece in here. And then because you don't get any more of the inner rocker, it's from here to here is missing. So I went and took a whole one and welded in there. A little trouble right here with hitting the door, but pretty much got it straightened out finally. Just finishing up that little patch in there. And then the rocker, I've already fit it, so I'll weld that in after I get this welded. Been all day, but well, 8 hours on this, trying to get all that to fit right. But we got her. Started putting the rocker in at the end of the day, so I'm not going to finish it up. But I got it somewhat in there. Got good door gaps. So try welding it up tomorrow. Well, this morning I got the rocker welded in and fit everything with the door. Door fit good. And then up here, where this brace goes through here, that was pretty rotten, so I cut that out right here, and traced another piece of steel and welded that. Well, in the process of welding that in. Once I get that done, move on to the other side. I got this side welded in. This was a bear. It was terrible. They not one to fit, and so then I started measuring, and the top of the doors, obviously they're aftermarket, the top of the doors were like almost a ½ inch too high. Up in here, it was up against here. I put the cowl on here, and the body line was like a ½ inch off. So after a lot of tweaking and stuff, got her fitting. So today I'm just gonna weld in that piece back in there, and then put the cab corners in, and I think the welding will be done, hopefully. Welding the back of the cabin, I bent that this morning at home. We can't buy that piece, so I just made it out of some sheet metal. Once that's welded in and ground off, then I can start my mud and get this thing done. Did some field work on it today. Got some of it done. Inside the door jam there. Going across the back. And hopefully I can get that done next day I come to work. And Mike is do some brake repair. Gonna get the this frame's got new springs, you got new calipers. You get a pretty good buy on this. So he's gonna rebuild all the springs and the brake. Everything's gonna be new on this frame except the frame itself.